Once the wheelchair has been restrained, it's critical that the passenger is secured separately. Our split reel double inertia units are suitable to use as a 3-point system with the additional purchase of an upper anchorage strap or 2-point system depending on passenger and vehicle's requirements. Unwin recommends the use of a 3-point occupant restraint system to provide greater protection in the case of an impact. This system is not ISO 10542 compliant if used in a 2-point configuration. Position the stalk on the aisle side of the vehicle for quick release in the event of an emergency, and inertia reel below the 3rd-point fixing. Clip the 3rd-point fixing into the cant rail above the inertia reel. Unfasten the tongue and buckle. Pull the black webbing upwards and unfasten the tongue from the grey webbing buckle. Position the black webbing to form the lap belt and insert the tongue into the buckled stalk. Ensure that the lap belt lies low on the pelvis of the occupant, running close as possible over the hips on both sides. Fit the grey shoulder belt tongue into the 3rd fixing point buckle. Position the grey webbing to form the shoulder belt and insert the tongue into the buckle. Adjust the height of the shoulder belt to clear the occupant's shoulder by approximately 25 mm or 1 inch.
Are you comfortable?
To remove the occupant restraint, first release the grey shoulder belt from the lap belt section, then from the 3rd-point fixing, and carefully allow the shoulder belt to return to the retractor. Reconnect the 3rd-point fixing tongue and buckle. Disconnect the black lap belt from the buckle stalk on the aisle side and carefully allow the lap belt webbing to return onto its retractor. To protect the restraint webbing, connect the shoulder belt buckle to the lap belt tongue above the opening of the retractor box. Remove both the occupant restraint and the stalk from the rail and stow in a suitable location in the vehicle.